Okay, today I will make a smoothie on my Ninja uh, smoothie maker. Okay, first of all I need to wash my hands. Okay. And this is already there is ice, what you call that, blueberry, grapes, and strawberry, more strawberry, and yogurt, how many spoon, ma? How many spoon?
How many did you put? That's it. And then some low-fat milk. Say low-fat milk.
Narinig ka rin. And then a low fat milk. I'm not putting sugar on this one. No, where's the ice cream?
There, in front of you.
And then I'm putting a magnolia ube, sweet purple yam. There. I'm not using sugar, so this is my sugar. This is my sugar. There. Oh, there's still mango flavor here. I want it sweet.
Papa, that's not healthy.
It's okay.
That's it.
I want it more. Okay, there. Then put the cover. It's wrong. Other side. Wrong. Okay, there. Power. Oh, I did not plug. I need to plug. It's not connected to the power. Okay, there. So power. And then I just use the pulse. Release, and I'll try it. That's good. Okay, good. So this Ninja professional 1500 watts. It's very powerful. As you can see, it's less than a minute, and it grind everything including ice. There. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye. Okay, that's Ninja. Alisin mo. Twist mo lang. You don't know?
Yes.
Hold it, hold it. Hold it, hold it mo. There. Okay. So this is mine. Okay. See? Good.